Hi, how are you? I hope you guys are doing fine today. Today we're going to draw a comics character, the Popeyes the Sailor Man. This is a very popular character. Let's start the drawing. First, we draw a curved line like this. Here, and we extend the line, remaining the curve the same, and we extend it like this. Alright, here we are going to draw the ear and we put a little details of the drawing here. Now we are going to draw the nose. According to the comics character, it must be the same as the cartoon. So the nose looks like this. Then we draw a curved line like this. Here there is eyes, like round shape. We put the darkest black color here. Another curved line will be like this. So the right eyes, it looks like the winkle, and little wrinkle here because of the A's defined here. Now we are putting the cap on top of the head. Let's draw a curved line over the head like this, and we extend the line like here up to the front of the head. A small circle at the middle of the cap, and another curved line on top of this one. This is the top of the cap. All right, and back of the cap looks like this. So the nose is almost done. Now we draw another curved line like this, another one like this. The finally we're going to draw the last curve, and it comes from the ears like this. We're going to connect these two lines continuing the curved line like this. So this is the connection. One more little details here, like another curved line will be like this. As we know, it's smoking the cigar, so we are putting the cigar on its throat. From the lips it's smoking. Here it's going to be like this, two lines, and the smokes are coming from here. All right, the tiny little neck is coming from the bottom of this drawing. So this is the basic shape of the Popeyes. Now we're going to put the shades to do the details of the character. This comics character is very popular. It's like the classic cartoon. As we know, the Tom and Jerry is very popular. So it's also like the Tom and Jerry, very popular character. Popeye's the Sailor Man. I hope you guys watch it. Most of our childhood, we watch this kind of cartoon. Those are very funny, very nice, amazing, and we enjoy it. Let's make this one little darker. Also darker here. All right, so the details of the caps is almost done. Now the details on the back is here. Let's start the details of the face. All right. This is the bottom part of the face. So the darker shade will be to the outside or at the end of the drawing. Let's put the darker shades along the lines we draw here. All right. Let's put little shades here. Darker shade to this twinkling eyes and also here. Let's make this line little darker. Also this line darker too and thick. Let's make the nose thicker. Mhm. All right. This is the cigar he is smoking, and the smokes or fumes from this one to the upwards. Little details here. All right. So this is the drawing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for the update. Thank you so much. Have a good day.